Create a 3-minute YouTube video about deliciously sweet and spicy chicken. It's great as an appetizer or as a main dish served with rice and a veggie. Let's start with the ingredients you'll need to create a deliciously sweet, sticky, and spicy chicken dish. First, take 1/4 cup of soy sauce. This will add a rich, savory flavor to your dish. Next, measure out 2 tablespoons of honey. The honey will provide a natural sweetness and help to create that sticky texture we're aiming for. Then, add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. This will give the dish a nice kick of heat. Finally, include 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. The brown sugar will enhance the sweetness and add a depth of flavor. Moving on to the aromatics, you'll need 2 teaspoons of freshly chopped ginger root. Ginger adds a warm, spicy note that complements the other flavors beautifully. Also, prepare 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. Garlic brings a robust, savory element to the dish. For the protein, use 4 skinless, boneless chicken breast halves. Cut them into half-inch strips. This size is perfect for quick cooking and ensures that each piece is well coated with the flavorful sauce. Season the chicken with salt and pepper to taste. This will enhance the natural flavors of the chicken. Finally, you'll need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. This will be used to cook the chicken and help to blend all the flavors together. With all these ingredients, you are now ready to make a mouth-watering, sweet, sticky, and spicy chicken dish that is sure to impress. Gather everything together and let's get cooking. Begin by gathering all your ingredients: soy sauce, honey, hot sauce, brown sugar, freshly grated ginger, and minced garlic. These ingredients will come together to create a flavorful and balanced sauce. In a small glass bowl, combine the soy sauce, honey, hot sauce, brown sugar, ginger, and garlic. Using a whisk, gently mix the ingredients until they are well combined and the sugar has dissolved completely. The mixture should be smooth and slightly thickened. This sauce will add a perfect blend of sweetness, heat, and umami to your dish. Once everything is well incorporated, set the sauce aside. It's important to let the flavors meld together while you prepare the rest of your meal. This step ensures that every bite is infused with the rich, complex taste of the sauce. Lightly season chicken with salt and pepper, a parchment paper-lined baking sheet with slices of raw chicken topped with salt and pepper. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add chicken, cook and stir until browned, about 1 minute per side. Pour sauce over chicken. Simmer uncovered until sauce thickens, 8 to 10 minutes. Serve and enjoy. Love the recipe? Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. At Kraystar Flavor King brings you the best culinary delights. This chicken dish is perfect as an appetizer or as a main course. Serve it with a side of fluffy rice and your favorite veggies for a complete meal. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Your support helps us create more mouth-watering content. Comment below with your thoughts and any variations you tried. We love hearing from you.